Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. For today's video, I'm going to unboxing this Bluster XTO Light Blue Specials. And the item number is 95439. And it's very good units, I have to say, because I collect all the polycarbonate bodies, so that's gonna be one of my collection as well. Okay, so let's see what's in the box, and in the end, let's see what score this car can get. Okay, check it out. Okay, so let's start with the body. So it's a poly body, and here is the stickers. Okay. Okay, so it's a FMA chassis, and the color light blue, and material ABS, and this is the rear plate, and the parts is sky blue, or it's a little bit green. Okay, so the tire, the medium size hard tire, color blue, medium 6-spoke regular wheels, color white, and here is the bracket for the poly cow. Okay, and the gear ratio 3.5 high-speed gear, and also come with one carbon ring enforced pinning gear. Okay, so that's everything for this unit. So next, let's check the scoreboard and see what's the score for this car. Okay, check it out. Okay, so for this car, the chassis, I give it 0.5. It's ABS, and the body is 1, because that's a polycarbonate body, so I give that 1. And gear ratio 3.5, so 1 point. And the wheels, medium regular wheel 0.5, and the tire is hard tire medium, it's 0.75, and the other is the pinning gear 0.5. It's a carbon ring reinforced pinning gear, so that's 0.5. The total score 4.25. So this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.